Very good people. This is Gwakis Aston, the creator of Master Hair Creation in Blender, and today I present to you another GeoNode hair product. It is DreadLock Hair Preset. With this preset, you can create different kind of DreadLock hairstyle. So as you can see on my screen, this is DreadLock Hair Preset, and with this preset, we have different type of dreadlock style. We have this one called normal dreadlock. In here you can choose dreadlock type, and then we have curl dreadlock. There is different on the look between curl dreadlock and the normal dreadlock. The normal dreadlock seems straight but waving, but the curl dreadlock seems curled, as you can see the difference. And after choosing between either normal dreadlock or curl dreadlock, there is another setting. You can open another setting for normal dreadlock. You can change and play with different setting for the normal dreadlock. Also, you can change and play with different setting for curl dreadlock. After that, we have dreadlock roots. We have these roots. You can control the root, enable them. You can see the hair seems very neat, and you can enable them. And after dreadlock root, we have base hair or filling. You can see the difference on the scalp. There is a gap on scalp, but when we fill the hair in, so another thing, we have flyaway hair. There's little hair on top, so maybe you can disable them. When you disable them, the hair seems very flat and unrealistic, but when you enable the flyaway hair, you see the difference. And the last thing is dreadlock beads. So you can disable and enable it, and if you enable them, and we have option to choose different kind of object or accessory that you may like to put on your character. Let's say we have bead here. As you can see it, we have bead 1 and we have bead 2. Moreover, with this dreadlock preset, you can create different kind of hairstyle. It's the long dreadlock, and if I disable them, you can enable dreadlock on top. So let me go back to this one. So this is it. This is a dreadlock. You can see with the fade. So now you can see the difference between the normal dreadlock and the curl dreadlock. The curl seems coiled while the normal dreadlock seems straight. And here you can see some sort of flyaway hair. Here flyaway hair, the root. These are the bead at the shoulder area, and we have filling hair that cover the gap of the scalp. Moreover, we have option to simulate this dreadlock. Since Blender GeoNode does not support hair simulation, we have an option to use the proxy object. We can simulate the proxy object with cross simulation. Then we will apply those proxy to the guide to get the simulation to the GeoNode hair. So this is how create this different type of dreadlock to your character. You can purchase this dreadlock preset on my Artstation Market place, and in there you'll find a long tutorial on how to use this product. Thank you for your support. See you on Artstation Marketplace.